I built my dream home gym in this little shed. Here's how I did it in about 10 seconds. So here it is, I finally built it. For me personally, I like doing yoga, I like doing calisthenics, I like doing kettlebells, and I like doing weightlifting. And mixing all those things together is the perfect combination to keep me athletic, strong, and also injury proof. Let's have a look at how I packed all my different types of training into one tiny room.
You can't have a gym without a squat rack. I hit all my key compound lifts here, and well, it definitely beats the lockdown version. Oh, by the way, if you do like this kind of content, I am new to YouTube, so liking and subscribing would mean a lot. Anyway, if there's one thing more versatile than the rack, it's got to be the rings. For 30 quid, you have an entire upper body arsenal of exercises in your locker that help you build strength, skill, size, and stability. Ditch your barbell bench for ring push-ups, and I promise you, your shoulders will thank you. In the name of bodyweight exercises, I had to build a high bar. Although it's not technically in the gym, it's great for my favorite back builder, the pull-up. As a bonus, I train calisthenics on here, ready for summer when I'm hitting the park again. Next up, I present to you the ultimate posterior chain torture device, aka the Freak Athlete. With this, I can hit 11 exercises for my legs, and I kid you not, it does them all well. I might do another video on this, so make sure you sub because you will need to see it to believe it. I'm relying on this to sort my knees out after 6 dislocations and a hefty amount of arthritis, so no pressure. Partly in the name of knee health, I also added kettlebells to my identity recently to justify growing a mustache and generally being a hipster gym goer. They're great for power, conditioning, coordination, and so much more. Finally, I have to give a special mention to my storage systems, like my yoga mat and parallel holder. Without these, I wouldn't be able to fit everything in. Alright, that's it. Everything I use. Let me know what else you'd like to see in more depth. Meanwhile, here's a quick video about the process of building the gym. You can figure out how to get that on the screen.